Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram with eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to simply go to your seller hub. And to do so, you will be needing to firstly use this already at least one time so you can be able to access the seller hub. If you've never used it, you can simply just type uh, the eBay seller hub, and from there you can just go to the eBay seller hub, and for the first time you'd find like start with seller hub. Otherwise you will be able to start accessing your seller hub from my eBay. You just hover and basically you click on selling, and then it will take you to the seller hub. Now we want to go to marketing, and from here you would find something. Here it is called social, or a choice is social. By clicking on social, you will be able to connect your eBay accounts to your social platform, and then you can start like posting your listings and stuff. And basically, here, if we go down, we'd find some social accounts that you can attach to your eBay, and you can also set up an auto posting for your listing and stuff. So basically, we'd be needing just to click on link on Instagram. So you click on link, and basically you need just to need a free Facebook page connected to an Instagram business account. So make sure that you have already an Instagram business account and a Facebook page. And of course, you will need to accept permission and you can use them. So you can click on continue. You will need just to log in to your account, and then you accept, and you will have your Instagram that will be linked to your eBay. And by that, you will be able to start posting your listing. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.